ITv7 crafting. Can switch gun. Okay, no more soul shots, no more boosters. Oh, this one still have shadows, so it's good. Cool. So you lifesteal on every hit basically. And this is a bit too overpowered one, so it's super easy to deal with it. So in general it gets a bit boring. And that's why I kinda stopped working on it for now. Maybe repurpose it a bit later use. Wow, already 2 minutes. Oh, we can use bow. I can use the power attack too. Good job. Looks pretty nice. It's been a while since I've been playing it, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Ooh. Pick. Oh, we got a drop. What? The drop. Oh, damn it. It's a bit more romantic. There you go. Oop. There you go. There you go. So it takes about 4 minutes to finish this stage. So it's pretty cool. So yeah. And that's it. And then you can go and craft stuff. Oops. Just clicked. Is that possible? There you go. You burn it, and then you get some shots. Boosters. And that's it. I have inventory, but it's not working yet, so yeah. Cool. Cool.